guys, welcome back to my channel Neeraj Netra, and today's video is a collab with Random Science.
And my name is Shrutik from Random Science.
Hey guys, my name is Mayur and I am from Random Science.
And today's video is about top 12 deadliest wars in history. And now let's begin. The first war we are going to discuss is the Second Congo War, which took place between 1998 and 2003. The war spanned 5 years and caused the death of 5.4 million people. Although the genocides, it took a lot of lives, and considering that this happened in recent history makes it even more staggering. This war is also sometimes referred to as the African World War. On to the next war. Napoleonic Wars. This should come as no surprise, as Napoleonic Wars lasted for 12 years. This pitted the French Empire and its allies against a coalition of various European powers. The Napoleonic Wars also include Third Coalition, Fourth Coalition, Fifth, Sixth and Seventh Coalitions. This war caused the deaths of roughly 3.5 to 6 million people, and they were killed as a direct or indirect result of the war taking place. And now on to the next war. 30 Years War. This war, as the name suggests, took place for 30 years between the Catholic and Protestant states in Central Europe from 1618 to 1648. It eventually became one of the longest, most destructive and deadliest wars in European history, and it is I estimated that almost 8 million civilians and military personnel died during this war. And now on to the next war, and this is the last war I am going to be covering. The Chinese Civil War. The Chinese Civil War started in August of 1927 between Kuomintang, who were the government of China and now rule over Taiwan, and the Communist Party of China. The massacres, atrocities and the war itself took place for a long time, and also took place throughout World War II and claimed about 8 million lives. And now Shrutik is gonna start his portion of the video.
Hey guys, it's me Shrutik from Random Science, and I'm going to continue all the way from Chinese Civil War. Russian Civil War is the next war. The Russian Civil War was claimed to take the lives of more than 9 million guys. It's just brutal, and 8 million who of them were civilians. It's pretty sad guys. It took place from 1917 to 1922, which is more than 5 years guys. Immediately after the Russian revolutions of 1917, and it was fought between opposing political fractions, namely the Red Army and the White Army. And the next war is the Dungan Revolt. The Dungan Revolt was a Chinese war between the Chinese ethnic group native to the East Asia and the Hus, which are also called as Chinese Muslims in the 19th century. China during the Qing dynasty, there were approximately 20 million war-related deaths, mostly caused by the famine and migrant brought about the war. This is just insane guys. The next war is the Aleutian Rebellion. The Aleutian Rebellion was a rebellion against the Tang dynasty of China between 755 AD and 763 AD. Although it was difficult accurately to report the death toll, the census reports are taken years the following were impactly around 36 million people were killed. That is just too brutal. Then, or about two-thirds of the population of the empire. 2/3 of the population, that is just too much guys. And from here, my friend Mayur from Random Science will be taking on.
So hi guys, now I'm gonna tell about World War I. Yo, very interesting. The First World War was fought between the Allies and the Central Powers. The war lasted for 4 years from 1914 to 1918, but it was responsible for around 18 million deaths. It was so brutal guys. It's a mind-bogglingly awesome number. Of the 18 million deaths, about 11 million were military personnel and about 7 million were civilians. 7 million were civilians. Taiping Rebellion. Yet another war in China. The Taiping Rebellion was another large-scale rebellion that was fought between 1850 and 1864. The war was fought between the Qin dynasty and the Christian millenarian, I know guys, movement of the Taiping Heavenly Kingdom. Although there isn't an exact number, most estimations have the Taiping Rebellion responsible for 20 to 30 million deaths. Wow, wow. So next guys,
Excuse me guys, and sorry for the pause, it was a technical issue. And now Mayu is gonna continue. Sorry to interrupt you.
yes, the Qing conquest of Ming. The transition from the Qing dynasty to the Ming dynasty was anything but peaceful. The rebellion waged for over 60 years, from 1618 to 1683, and resulted in the deaths of 25 million people. What started as a relatively small rebellion in northeastern China ultimately resulted in one of the country's deadliest conflicts as well as one of the deadliest wars in history. So, next is Second Sino-Japanese War. The Second Sino-Japanese War was waged between 1937 and 1945 between the Republic of China's National Revolutionary Army and the Imperial Japanese Army. It is widely believed that the war began with the Marco Polo Bridge incident, and it later escalated to an all-out that resulted in 25 million civilian deaths and over 4 million Chinese and Japanese military deaths. And World War II.
Yeah guys, sorry to interrupt you again. The network isn't very stable in the area we are recording, so sorry about it. We tried to provide better content, but we can't do anything.
So I'm going to read again guys. World War II. World War II was a global war that spanned from 1939 to 1945. The war was pitted the Allies and the Axis powers in the deadliest war in history and was responsible for the deaths of over 70 million people, known for its genocidial campaign against the Jewish people, and war was also responsible for the deaths of more than 50 million civilians. Wow. Wow.
And also guys, a small editing mistake occurred, and in the Qing conquest of Ming, the copy or the text we wrote stated that the Ming Empire conquered the Qing Empire, but actually it is the reverse, with Qing Empire conquering Ming Empire. And now thank you guys, we are about to end this video, and tomorrow a video will be released in the Random Science channel.
Yes,
and
guys.
thank you guys.
Link in the description.
Link in the description, guys. Check it out. Bye.